Good morning, friends. Let us continue our discussion. So, Ravi was asked by his mother to purchase three things. So, first, in this particular problem, we have to be careful with the direction. So, first, I am plotting the direction north, south, east, and west. So, first thing is it is moving towards north 3 meters to purchase the notebook, then 4 meters towards east to purchase 1 kg of sugar, and finally 6 meters towards south to purchase a water bottle. So this was his actual path taken. So they are asking to first sketch out the diagram. So that is the first part. I am drawing it. So it's 3 meters towards north, and then it is 4 meters towards east and 6 meters towards south. So that is what we are doing. So as we are asked to find the displacement, it is between the starting and the ending point. So it is hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. So hypotenuse square is have to what? We have to find it out, which is nothing but equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So it is 9 plus 16. So we got the answer as hypotenuse is nothing but root of 25. So the displacement is nothing but 5 meters. So that is what the displacement he has been traveling. So the hypotenuse taking the displacement because it is the shortest distance or between the starting and the ending point. So the actual path should not be taken. So you should be careful. So the next part of the problem is a car starts from rest and moves along x-axis with constant acceleration of 5 meter per second square for 8 seconds. So if it then continues with same constant velocity, what distance will it take to cover in 12 seconds? So that is the problem being asked. So it is given as rest, so u is equal to 0. The constant acceleration is given as 5 meter per second square, and it is the time taken for time t is equal to 8 seconds. So first time I take it as 8 seconds because there are two intervals they are given. So total time is 12 seconds. So 8 minus 12, it is nothing but 4 seconds is the second time taken. Therefore, the total time is equal to t1 plus t2. I take it as 8 plus 4, which is nothing but 12 seconds since the start. So that is the problem is being asked. So here they are asking to find the distance. So it is very simple. We are applying the condition as the second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So here there are two in time intervals. So first one, so it is always the initial velocity is 0, so it substitute as 0 plus. So for two intervals s1, t1 and t1 I am taking it over. So because of two intervals plus half into acceleration is 5 into t1 is 8 square. So when I expand it, it is nothing but, so 5 into 8 square divided by 2, it is nothing but 160 meters. So I'm just writing it. So this is the first distance covered in 8 seconds. The next one is we have to calculate the second part of it. The time taken t1 is calculated. For t1 it is 8 seconds. For the next 4 seconds because the car is covering 12 seconds in total. So the velocity, total velocity, that is the for time taken t1 is given by the formula. The maximum velocity is v equal to u plus at. So I am substituting the t1 value and I am calculating the total time taken. So v equal to u plus at is the formula I am substituting it. Therefore v is equal to u is 0 plus v is equal to u plus at. Therefore v is equal to 0 plus a is nothing but 5 into time taken is 8, that is t1 is 8. So 8 5s are 40. So the velocity, maximum velocity is equal to 40 meter per second. I calculated it. The next part is for 12 seconds, that is the remaining 4 seconds. So for this, I am using the velocity is equal to displacement by time, that formula. So it will be directly, you can calculate it. Therefore, velocity is equal to displacement by time. So or it is nothing but s by t. So v is equal to s by t. So here the second displacement, so I take it as s2 by t. So t2, because time taken t2 is nothing but 4 seconds. So S2 by T2. So when I'm substituting, therefore S2 is equal to V into T2. Therefore it is the total velocity, already we have calculated it, which is nothing but 40 maximum velocity into T2 is 4. So totally it is 40 into 4, which is nothing but 160 meters. So that is the distance covered. So that is the displacement covered. So in first time taken it is 160 meter, and in the second time taken also it is 160 meters. So S is equal to S1 plus S2. So when I'm adding it, we get as S is equal to 160 plus 160. We will get it as 320 meters. So that will be the total displacement covered. Thank you, children.